Health benefits of pineapple juice. Here are 7 science-based benefits of pineapple juice and precaution, based on the current research. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Pineapple juice is rich in a variety of vitamins and minerals. It's especially packed with manganese, copper, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, all of which play important roles in the proper functioning of your body. Number 2. Contains additional beneficial compounds. Pineapple juice is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage and disease. It also contains bromelain, a group of enzymes that may reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and boost immunity. Number 3. May suppress inflammation. Pineapple juice contains bromelain, a group of enzymes that may help reduce inflammation caused by trauma, injuries, surgery, rheumatoid arthritis, or osteoarthritis. However, more juice-specific studies are needed. Number 4. May boost your immunity. Some research suggests that pineapple juice may contribute to a stronger immune system. It may also help increase the effectiveness of antibiotics. However, more studies are needed before strong conclusions can be made. Number 5. May help your digestion. The bromelain in pineapple juice may aid digestion, guard against harmful, diarrhea-causing bacteria, and reduce inflammation in people with inflammatory bowel disorders. However, more research is needed. Number 6. May promote heart health. Some research links the bromelain naturally found in pineapple juice to markers of improved heart health. However, more pineapple juice-specific studies are needed. Number 7. May help fight certain types of cancer. Test tube studies suggest that concentrated amounts of bromelain may help protect against cancer. However, it's currently unclear whether pineapple juice offers similar benefits in humans. Possible precaution. Pineapple juice is low in fiber yet rich in sugar, and drinking too much may lead to weight gain or disease. This beverage may also interact with medications and trigger heartburn or reflux in some people.